Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to boost your microphone volume in OBS. Now let us begin. Well, do you know that I have already installed the application and these two are my audio devices? Well, it is quite easy to simply increase the volume. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply select your audio device. For me, these both are my audio device. I'm gonna click on either one. And from here, what you guys need to do is simply click on filters. Once you do that, this thing will open up. We just have to add a filter. At the bottom left, you can see the plus icon right here. Click on it. As you can see, lots of filters. But right now, what we're gonna focus on is simply this compressor filter. Click on it right now. Do rename it if you want to, else hit on OK. Now as you can see, the filter has been added. Now what you need to do is simply increase the output gain. I'm gonna put it to around this 14.60 and hit on close. And guys, that is it. That is how you boost your microphone in OBS. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.